black team. Who's on that team? None other than Random Dice. Hey, Egan. Shut down that phone. Egan, how's your day been? Yo! We... Already. Oops.
Dude, my computer cannot handle it. Ah!
We crashed the server.
Me
Oh,
again.
white team's not on isolation mode. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I like how fast my vehicle is in. I need more wheels. I need like a little turbo boost I can give myself.
Toilet.
Thank you, Egan. 3, 2, 1, detonate! Oh, the server's gonna crash. Oh! Oh, server didn't crash. Let's see the damage. Oh! He put his base on isolation mode. Dude, there's just like endless blocks coming from white team's base. Oh, thanks for the message in chat, white team.
Great message.
I am all up. I am the freaking up. I'm Peter Pan.
Thank you, Egan.
Oh yeah.
Blue team's gonna feel it for what they just did. They just blew me up. Blue team's gonna feel my wrath.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, blue team. Got a prize for you. Lovely weather we've been having.
Line driver. Right there. Let's play somewhere here.
Okay.
What's
Alright, so I can basically just get rid of all the wheels. Actually, get rid of that camera. Then that should work. Change the keybinds to these. Q.
Stop!
Oh, okay. Oh, it's very unstable. Oh? Maybe? What's going on?
Oh!
Okay, this is pretty much every block I have. I'm just gonna put one dynamite here, one dynamite here, one rocket right on top, camera, so I can get that nice little missile view. Oh yeah. Thanks for flying over top of me. I think we found our first target. Alright, we fly it with Q. Man, everything else should be good. Oh! Oh yeah. That's so much better to control. Oh, Ian! Detonate! Oh, can I detonate real quick? Oh. A little bit laggy. It's not too bad. Oh. There's a couple more.
Yeah!
Thank
We
you.
sound like a rock.
I think I need to up the blast. That might be enough dynamite. We'll see if this works. Let's find some innocent bystander. We got 2 people on blue team. Detonating! Yo. Enemy in sight. Why am I still flying?
Oh, did you lag the server?
Maybe. No.
Yale.
Is this guy building? Hi. Yeah, the flying one is not as good as the car. So I'm sticking with the car. Oh, I got a message from Gregarious.
There was a time when the name Ron John meant something on this platform.
Thank you, Gregarious. Are we ready? Are we ready?
No.
I'm under heavy fire from somebody. All of a sudden, just 50 cannons just shot at me, and then now there's cannons all over the yard. Oh! Don't you think that's a little overkill? How much dynamite do you have?
I bought 55.
Why?
I actually don't have anything to set off these bombs.
Oh, use your chairs. Press F. Just go on your chair and press F. It should auto detonate. That's like it is because it usually links to your chair. I detonated mine. Oh, you have a few blocks. Mine is not detonated yet. Oh. Oh,
Say up my name.
I'm having a seat. Oh, okay.
I can't take it anymore. I can't do it.
Lovely weather we've been having. Dude, look at white team. White team's got a pile of red blocks, and they're on the do not disturb or whatever it's called.
Like me bouncing. Oh.
Yeah, I like you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'm just a girl in the world. Dude, I'm out.
Oh! I haven't even exploded in the server setting down.
Guys, I didn't mean to crash the game.
Whoopsie doodle. My game's lagging really bad.
Yeah, mine too.
So is mine.
I think it's this tube guy.
Yeah. I told him it's a no
Here come-
tube zone. And I told him to delete it or pay the price. I'm gonna fly over there. Dude, I'm lagging really
Hello?
bad.
Can we not lag, please?
Yeah, what is wrong with this server?
I don't know, that server's crashing the server.
The tube is not allowed.
This
The
is
tube
not
is
a
ruining
tube
the
zone.
server.
This is a no tube zone.
They have like multiple rounds. What is going on at
Oh, the server's
Yo,
shutting
server
down
will be-
before we
didn't
do
do
anything. Dude, what is purple? Dude, what is wrong?
No more build a boat.
I think it's because in the beginning it asked me if I wanted to load in my previous build, and I said yes.
Oh, you're really smart.
Oh, autosave detected. Would you like to load in the build that was autosaved? Yes.
No,
Yeah.
please, no.
I would love to. Yo, this guy's building TIE fighters. Yo, white team's got a whole, like, build at their base. Dude, there's just... dude, already some tomfoolery is
Yeah, I sent
happening
a
in this
request.
server. I've got, like, blue team with a contraption. Is he trying to kidnap me? I think he's trying to put me in a box. This guy's dumb. Yo, we gotta blow up this Star Wars guy.
Yeah, he's having too much fun. Open the gate.
Open the door. Oh, let me run my game lag real quick.
A little bit of lag. Just a touch of
A little bit
lag.
of connection issues.
My game's enjoying
and then you
this.
make the TNT.
Oh!
Oh, the server will be shutting down.
Bye.
Oh, he flung across the map.
Mustache.
Ah, mustard, 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 mustard.
Oh, really? Can you tell me a little bit more about that, man?
No.